Today we put lipstick on a pig.
And we also do lots of Bondo work.
Such dirty hands.
We just got some brand new paint at Home Hardware. And paint on the floor. I'll get it off.
Wait, we should pressure wash those.
Yeah,
They're
pressure
peeling.
wash them first. That's paint peeling, that's not dirt.
Josh, you bled on the floor.
I'm sorry!
Josh!
It looks more and more like blood now.
Get a little oil come out of them. Yeah, because they're covered in oil when the truck's running. Stop. Don't try to make me look stupid.
Peeling off the paint right into my fingernails.
Chris, I think that's good enough. We're gonna wipe everything down with gas. We're gonna put it in our diesel tank.
It actually looks legit.
We're gonna wipe it down with gas. No, we're not gonna wipe the inside down with gas.
Why not?
Are you still
Why
cooking?
not? I would do that.
We're only gonna wipe help it start. We're only gonna wipe the outside down with gas.
The inside we're gonna clean with ether.
That's right. It's that much better for your motor, right? Especially when it says right on the side, do not use starting fluids. Are you on the sides at all or not? No. It's just the top that has a little bit of corrosion on it. They're aluminum. Yeah, but they're greasy. For that reason,
So I don't know if you guys can see this, but we haven't got our ball joints yet. And this is what we're feeling, thanks to car throttle.
cake.
Yep.
It's actually the workers'
And
cake.
one rule of thumb for when eating cake, make sure you have
A thumb.
good dirty hands.
And make sure you actually have a thumb.
That adds good taste.
It's enough to paint our hood red too. Let's
Okay.
do it.
My method works better than you guys' method.
What? You wait? Oh, you let it activate.
Yes.
So then do the opposite, because maybe they're just trying to trick you.
Yeah.
I don't know if that roller's thick enough to go on the other side by that axle. You think it is? See what I mean?
Find
Oh,
out.
it's gonna look good.
Not if the axle's right.
turbo.
No, we'll wait on the turbo because we have to use different paint.
And we have to take a lot of it apart.
No. Well, yeah, actually we do. Really helpful for filming. Thank you.
Sorry.
Looks good to me. And I have red paint in my hair. So we're painting there's two intercooler pipes. We're painting them both red. These are good candies.
Too bad Chris can't have any. He's filming. Yeah, much paint.
We are putting the intercooler, the
Lines
metal
back
sections
in.
of the pipe on that we painted red.
That one needs to get opened up. Wait. I think it is.
It is. It's just really tight, yeah.
No, it needs to open up more.
Okay. Right here. Push it all the way down because it has to be touching the bottom bolt. You know what I mean? Top one does nothing.
Top one does nothing?
Nope.
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does. Put that over that. And then try to wiggle that on.
Oh, that side's way too far in there, first of all.
It is?
Yeah. See, that line is supposed to be on there too.
Oh, dude. That's what it is.
Yeah.
We'll put this one in. Take that off so it doesn't
See, it's
scratch.
Scratching it already. There goes the thing. Yeah.
We need to tighten that one up.
Off our truck.
I'm going to eat an orange and I'm realizing that I have very dirty hands because I'm getting a black orange now.
Orange
This is the knife that we used to cut our mud flaps. It has been sitting on this cart since then, but I'm still going to use it.
Alright, so we got some JB Weld. Our grill had a slight crack. Johnny, 1 second. So here there's a crack and
Big
there's
crack.
a very small crack there. And so we're going to reinforce those with, we have very small pieces of aluminum. And we're going to put that on there to reinforce that crack and this on here until we find a new grill to replace this to make it look nicer, because the truck is really coming together now. So let's do that. So it says mix equal amounts and then stir it, and then it'll dry in 4 to 6 hours. So cool. It's black. Didn't know it was gonna be black.
Oh, I must not have been listening. Just looks like white paint.
And now we'll mix it with the back of this, because that's from Bondo with hardener, which we did like less than an hour ago. That's already hard.
Who uses welding rods for welding?
Yeah, use them for JB Weld.
Yeah, still welding.
This is real welding. This is what they're supposed to be doing.
So mix that up real good, it says.
Oh, it does. JB Fish, that's what this is.
Oh,
that does smell like fish.
That was unexpected.
we expected it to smell beautiful.
Like Bondo.
Yeah, gorgeous.
Is it bad if you get this stuff on your hand?
Probably. They'll probably weld your hand together.
Bondo's probably worse. It's all over my hands and my phone screen.
Oh well. Sure, you can have that. So we'll put that all the way up there, and then we'll JB Weld that. Now someone's gonna have to hold that for quite a
I
while.
can hold that while you
You have to hold the back of it as well.
Yeah, you just have to hold the
You have
plastic.
to pinch everything together.
All right, this is for the rest of my life right now.
Well, the next 4 to 6 hours.
See, that's why I do some of the filming, and I don't do as much.
Lazy. You're just a
All
lazy person.
All about that easy life.
Oh yeah, I gave a spam card to Opa.
Opa Aaron?
Yeah.
Serious?
He's like, yeah, I'll watch it sometime. That one should be good.
Yeah, that one was pretty much even already.
Alright, so this week we painted our intercooler lines. We painted the valve covers. And we also painted the black back shocks red.
And we also finished the Bondo. Come back next week for more paint.
And this is a hint towards our next build. Can anybody guess what we are going to be doing?
And no, it's not a motorcycle.
This week, Mike and I also received our diesel power shirts that say stuff about Cummins and Black Smoke from Diesel Dave and Heavy D. They got sent all the way up here for us.